Hey traders, welcome to Trade the Fear. Today we're looking at Solana on daily chart here. So first thing we're going to be looking for, as usual, is the candlestick chart. So the candlestick right here is showing huge volatility. Solana is sitting at 106 right now. It has been selling off past 2 months, hitting a high of 295. So we are running down this downtrend for a while, and it looks like potentially is starting to slow the sell-off. The exhaustion of selling is fairly near. So as you can see here, we are in the range of supply, or sorry, we are in the range of demand showing right here. So we are around that area, 106, 117. So which means that we could be consolidating at this price and potentially going back up from this level. So Solana could be bottoming out at this level. It has not confirmed just yet, but with the levels we are at right now, it has been selling off for a while. So we are at near the levels where we were back in December 23, and it did had a nice run up. But as of right now, we are looking for buying the dip opportunity as what we normally do on this channel, because we are here to trade the fear, not follow it. So we are going to add to our positions of Solana. Solana has been great cryptocurrency, and we are looking to get in at a lower cost, CA into Solana, since it is one of the highest news developmental crypto as of today. So the first thing that we're going to look, like I said, the candlesticks. We are in volatile. We have been sold down as of today to 95 and ran back up as investors and traders are buying the dips. And now we're sitting at 106, so that's a good positive sign that we haven't seen for a bit now. So this is a huge volatility and a huge buying pressure coming back in, as you can see here with the volume. So the volume here is bigger than the rest. The last big volume that we had was roughly around March 3rd, March 2nd, March 3rd. We are starting to have volume coming back in, so that means investors, retailers, possibly institutions are now starting to buy back in. So which is a good positive sign. So that's what we're looking for to buy the dip. As you can see here for multi-RSI, we are at the oversold for a couple weeks now, and we're looking for the green cross above the red off of the oversold area. We want this to go back to around the 50 range, and confirming with the volume here, which is a positive sign. And we're gonna look for the confirmations from the multi-RSI cross from the green over the red. So at this level, I would be buying a little bit more to Solana. If you don't have any of Solana right now, I would suggest buying at this level, being cost averaging every single time it dips. So this would be the levels where I'll be buying the dip right now. I wouldn't be buying everything. I wouldn't be buying a lot. I would be cost averaging into it right now. So the next thing we're going to look at here, as you can see, we've been consolidating for ever since the 14th all the way to the April 2nd here. And every time it consolidates, there's always going to be a breakout eventually. And as you can see here, we have broke down. And also with the high volatility breakout, identified with the yellow box here, we have sold down from the consolidation level. And as you can see, this red box right here, I don't know if you see that, but this red box, that was the support level that we were hold. So it was holding for a bit the last couple of days, and it sold back down. So it broke that, and as soon as it broke that, investors see that opportunity, potentially looking like strong support. Normally they like to buy below that and then run it back up. Especially institutions like to do that kind of stuff, wipe investors off, liquidate them, and then run it back up. So that could potentially be this day here on April 6th, where they liquidated people and investors and then started to buy back in. So once it got liquidated, I believe the investors are starting to come back in at this large volume here. So we want to see the confirmation from the multi-RSI from the green above the red. Once it breaks above that, we want to see this candle break above this strong support, now resistant. We wanted to break up with more volume to confirm that that is sustainable above this. We wanted to close above this resistance, so we wanted to break it, become support, consolidate around there, and then go back up, and then we could be on a path to a new leg up, potential rally, or new higher trend. So that's what we're looking for. The next thing here we want to look for, as you can see, we are near the lowest channel. Broke down the lowest channel band here, and it rejected it, and it came back up. So that's a positive sign. So that positive sign that we're going to be looking for, which is all positive here. Lower, so we're at the lowest channel with the multi-RSI oversold, looking for a green across the red. We have big volume coming in, so potentially that could be the bottom. That's why it got rejected at the lowest channel. And then we're going to be looking for, again, we are sitting at the strong support from the other chart that we saw here. So we want to break above that level, and then potentially break above this level of 131 in order for us to confirm this is the bottom. We still want this to confirm and break above 130 in order for Solana to start building that foundation leg and then start going back up from there. So that's what we're looking for in the near term of 130. And once we reach that 130, we're looking to make more positions. So right now we would be adding, if it dips a little bit more, I would be buying a little bit more around the 85 level. Between the 85 and 105 level, I would be adding a lot of positions here. As noticed, because we are sitting on a long-term support level around the 110 and 105 level. So I would be buying heavily around that area. And again, we want to confirm with the volume. As long as the volume keeps coming in, we want to see the multi-RSI breaking above. And in order for us to confirm that this could be the next leg up or potential consolidation level, the next leg up, we want it to break above 130. So I would be adding a little bit more positions at the 130. I would be buying heavily around the 85 to 100 level. If it does dip that low, then it's a good thing. And I believe Solana is a good crypto, and I believe it'll be here for 3 to 5 years. Again, disclaimer, nothing is guaranteed. Make sure to only invest what you could afford to lose if it does go against us. So we always make sure we look at the chart, understand what we're investing in. As of right now on this channel, we believe Solana is one of those crypto that we want to trade for the long term or hold for the long term. So as of right now, we are going to be buying. We are going to be buying at this level, looking for consolidation break above the 130. Wait for it to break towards the 155 level, come back down to the 130, and then bounce from there, keep going up, making a higher high, higher low. Eventually that would be identified as a new trend, and then from there start adding up positions every time it dips, and we beat dollar cost averaging into Solana movement. So that's exactly what we'd be looking for. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.